Okay, let's check. Need to check. Okay, so I'm gonna read some message again. So on ACDC 149, we agreed that before jumping into Fusaka planning, we should stop and reflect on Pictra. More broadly, we've recently seen many questions, strong criticism, and novel improvement proposals related to Okra devs. To keep the conversation tractable, I'd suggest using this thread as a coordination point to share retrospectives and analysis of ACD, as well as proposals for how to improve things. Why it's fine to highlight problems without necessarily having the solution to them. Hopefully, we can keep the conversation civil and productive. I'll use this top post to categorize high-quality resources from client teams, infrastructure providers and developers, and various users and community members. In a few weeks, we'll dedicate some time on ACD to discuss what came out of this discussion. While I don't want to overly constrain how feedback is provided, here are suggested starting points for reflection over the past year. What went better than expected in Pictra's development and or ACD generally? What caused this? Over the past year, what went worse than expected? How could we have prevented this? Looking forward, what should we start doing, stop doing, or do differently? What should we not compromise on, even if there is pressure to do so? What parts of ACD are legacy process debt, which we should consider rethinking from first principles? As we discuss this, we should deeply consider the second order impact of proposals. For example, it's often suggested that ACD should be more efficient on the surface. No one would disagree. That said, it's easy to see how there is a tension between speed and other aspects of the process, such as security, openness, biasing toward work that is less unknown unknowns. This isn't to say that we shouldn't try and make the process more efficient, but that we should be mindful that what we trade off to get to sufficient. Okay. All right. I think that might be enough. Let's see.